Good. I think we should start, and more people will be attending, hopefully. So we're expecting around 20 contestants today in this very exciting challenge that we are conducting with Vembu. So let me start by introducing myself. So I'm Mohammed Elayan, and I'm your host today. It's such a great pleasure and honor for me to have you all. We have designed those technical challenges to give people, to give our resellers and partners the opportunity to learn about technologies that we distribute in the region, but also in a beautiful and fun way. So we give you the chance to learn, we give you the chance to explore such an amazing technology that we distribute in the region, such as Vembu technologies, and we make sure that it is fun, and we make sure that you enjoy that learning process. The way we will do it today is after the hard work and the great effort that you guys had studying the material, today is the exam. So today we'll have an online exam together. And we will first go through a round of introduction where we will have the great Vembu team today introducing themselves to us. It is such a great gesture from Vembu joining us today. We've got people from different departments, from the higher management even, joining us just to show you guys how Vembu cares about our region and how much they want to support your requirements, and support the channel of business that we have in the region. So without waiting further, I will pass it to the Vembu team to introduce themselves to our audience. I'll start with you, Eman, and you guys just proceed.
Yeah, thank you, Mohammed. Hi, guys, it's Emmanuel Gibson. I'm the head of business development in Vembu, and it's been a pleasure working with Distilogix throughout the years. And it's a good initiative with educating partners and giving them insights about what are the new things that's happening and about new technologies that being integrated into the product. So it might give you an overview insight about what's there and what you can provide your customers a better solution, how you can achieve multiple architecture requirements in the single solutions, like providing solution to VMware, Hyper-V, Image, and also cloud solution like Office 65, Azure backups. So hopefully the subject that we have given is not that much tough, because most of you guys are known more about Vembu already. And it's like a refresh for you guys, and hopefully the best wins and the others wins the deal in Vembu as whenever we are converting customers. So and I do have Mr. Shakti, and he's the head of channel management, and Ms. Harni from your partner management from Vembu. And also I do have Mr. Nivas. He is also product manager of Vembu, who is technically strong, you guys might have come across him in several access or several POC sessions. So hopefully this team will be the one who is going to be there when you are in need of any like a support or any customer conversion, any POCs. So we will be the front-end team who will be helping you and being with you throughout the process. And thank you, Mohammed, for the time. And
Thank you so much. That's amazing. There are two things that I admire big time about Vembu. One of them is they're so responsive. So the team that you see today, whenever you need them, they're like, I feel like sometimes that they just work for us, like they're just waiting for us to support. So they're very supportive, very responsive. The second thing I like a lot about Vembu is the amount of development in technology, the amount of development that's happening every month and every 6 months, and every release that they have is really impressive. And that's one of the major value that we provide to our customers. We always have a product that evolves with their needs and helps them a lot. Without further ado, let's go down now back to the agenda of today's challenge. So the way we will do it, first, we want you to ask questions. You've gone through the material. If there is anything that you feel that is a bit hard for you to understand, or you need some support from the Vembu team, this is why we have these great professionals with us today. If you have any questions, please just post them on the QA section or in the chat. Also, I'll take it. I'll take it from there to the Vembu team. If you have any questions, please post them. I will wait for like 10 seconds, waiting for any questions, or 30 seconds. If there are no questions, then we will proceed to the second stage of the challenge. Great thing about Vembu, guys, also it is so easy to learn. So beautiful. So it makes any organization not worry about the amount of skill they need or the kind of skill they need to support their environment. That's beautiful. So we'll wait for like half a minute. No questions, then we move to the original program. Okay, we got a question. Is it possible to map any cloud repository as a backup storage like OneDrive?
Can I answer that?
The question is, Yusuf is asking the question, is it possible to map any cloud repository as backup storage, such as OneDrive? Maybe he's referring to stuff such as OneDrive and those public, yeah.
Yes. So Yusuf, the thing is, we can do that. We can add OneDrive as a storage, as a backup data repository. And we do have, so you can separate it differently. Like we do provide a solution like S3 compatible storage option, where you can add that storage directly in the console, and you can configure it as a backup with a storage location. And similarly, like OneDrive and Google Drives, we do have options and workaround to configure a backup with a storage location. So we do have that option.
Yeah, great. So that's the option. And does this include also Dropbox and others, right?
Yeah, they can configure it, but it comes with certain restrictions, like, anyway, you will be connecting directly to the cloud. So there is a latency in data write and retrieval. The performance will be much lesser. But for S3 compatible storage, you can do it without any issues. It's an ease on operation. Like you can configure AWS S3, and you can directly back up the data to that location through any S3 buckets. But considering OneDrive and other stuff, the performance might be slightly low. So if the customers can bear that, then we can configure it and make use of it.
Amazing. Great job. So wait another 10 seconds. If there's any other question, feel free to post it on chat or Q&A. We'll be happy to pick that question. Good. So I think we're good to go. So let me explain to you guys how we will do it, especially if you've done it, if it's the first time that you do it with me. So let me share my screen first. And okay. So the tool that we use today in our online exam is called Kahoot. And Kahoot has an app that you can download and on your mobile phone, whether it's Apple or Android, it's available for both. What I want you please to do is first download the Kahoot app. Make sure it works. Now, when you download the Kahoot app, remember, it will not ask you for any registration, any like links to approve or anything. No, it's so easy to use. It runs directly. It may ask you if you're a player or you're using it for a private mode. Just say I'm using it for personal use. It may ask you if you're designing a game or just playing a game. Choose just playing a game. Just simple, probably a couple of questions, but nothing more than that. In the end, you need to get the app running on your mobile phone and open, and you need to be able to see at the bottom of the app screen, you need to be able to see a square, a colorful square that says enter pin. Okay, so you need to see that square. That is where you will be entering a pin number, which I will share with you when we start the online exam. But before we go to the part where you join the game, I need to first make sure that you download the Kahoot app. You have it running. You pass all the questions if there are any questions. You have the screen on your mobile phone. You see that enter pin, and enter pin is all the way in the bottom side of the Kahoot app. It's easy to locate. It's just a square that has colors like green, yellow, blue, and red, I guess. So that's step number one. Remember that you need two things to be able to answer the questions. One, you need your Kahoot app, and you need to always be able to see my screen. So you need to keep your laptop open. You need to see my screen, because Kahoot will show you the questions on my screen. It will not show you the questions on the mobile app. The mobile app will be used only to answer the questions. And these questions are multiple choice questions. So you will be given the question with 4 options. Everyone is colored. So from the mobile app, if the correct color is blue, then you click on the correct answer is colored blue, then you click on blue. If it's yellow, you click on yellow. So I'll recap. You download the app, make sure it's ready, make sure you can see that enter pin square at the bottom of the app screen. That's one. Second, when you join, which I will take you to very soon, when you join the game, you must always, all the time, be able to see the questions on your laptop, and at the same time, be able to answer using your phone mobile app. Now, how do you win? By answering the question faster than anyone else. So your score is a function of how fast you are in answering correct questions. This is how you get higher points, and then you get the chance to win. In the end, we will have one winner. We have 10 questions. We will have one person that will have the highest score from the contestants today. And that person will be the winner of the iWatch, the latest release of Apple Watch. And everyone else will get a certification. Everyone, including the winner, will get a certification of participation. So we will thank you by a certification of participation in this challenge. Now, I'll give you 1 minute to get the app downloaded. Please, just to make me feel good, if you're done with the app and everything is ready, just type down and chat. Okay.
And Mohammed,
yes.
I also wanted to add, like we from Vembu team wanted to give 2 sockets of VMware Hyper license free of cost to all the participants joining today. So
nice.
That's what we want to add into that.
Thank you so much for your support. That is a great gesture. Thank you so much. Great.
And they can use it for their test environments. And if they wanted to show it as a demo to customers, then they can use it for that. Beautiful. Like an NFR license free.
Yes. For you to test and learn and like demonstrate your customers and everything. Yes. Good. So we'll wait for this 1 minute for you guys to make sure that you're done. So I see some people saying done, which is amazing. How will I get the pin? So Sushant, I will give you the pin very shortly. But just I want to make sure that I'm giving everyone enough time to get the app ready. Very shortly, I will share my screen again, and you will see a big number like 6 or 8 digits. And that will be the PIN number, okay? But let's give everyone 1 minute to make sure that everything is settled. I don't want them like to start the game and they're not ready yet. You know, this is very stressful. We're not here to be stressful. We're here to learn by having fun. Okay. And the way we designed it, we have 10 questions, guys. We've given 1 minute for each question. Usually we give 30 seconds only, but this time we've given 1 minute for each question. One might feel long a bit, but the reason behind that is that we have contestants and participants from countries where English is not their native language. It's not, they don't have a good command of English. Some of them come from French-speaking countries. Some of them come from Russian-speaking countries. So we want to make sure that we give them, to be fair to them, want to give them enough time to read the question, look at the options, and get the time to answer. So if it feels a bit long to you guys, please bear with us. It's our way to support the entire community. So but it's not going to be boring. 1 minute will pass fast, no worries. Sometimes that minute will feel like very long, huh? Good. So I think we're good. I think we're progressing. So let me get that thing ready so that I can share my screen and you guys can see everything. So let me know if you can you guys see my screen? If you cannot see my screen, let me know. So the PIN number, which is 9651728, is the game PIN number. And I'll have to repeat, guys, keep the screen in front of you. You need this. You need this to be able to read the questions and look at the options given as the multiple choice answers. Remember, there is only one single answer that is correct. Everything else is wrong. And again, we'll wait for 1 minute, or maybe we're almost there. We have the 20 contestants. Let's give it 10 seconds more. Let's see if there are more people joining. Looks, oh yeah, still have more people. We'll wait. Wait 10 more seconds. Be patient. Yes. It's going to be a lot of fun today. We have 25 contestants. We're expecting 20. We were expecting 20. Now it's 25. It's going to be aggressive. I think we're ready. Good. So now I will hit the start button, and then Kahoot will start showing you the first question. Remember, keep looking at the screen and keep holding your mobile phone to be able to answer fast. And do not stress. Have fun. Oh, we have some more people joining. I probably should wait a bit, huh? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. So it is today's technical challenge with Vembu. Which type should you choose when creating a backup storage repository to easily add new volumes and drives in the future? I've got 24 answers. I think still need 2 more. And I hope you guys are enjoying the music that Kahoot keeps choosing for us. Great. We've got 14 answers, correct answers. Amazing job, guys. Yes, it is scale out repository. That's a very good start. A very encouraging start for the first question. Good job, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see who scored the highest. Remember, it's a function of time. Ahmed from the great country of Qatar. We are always happy to see you, buddy. Thank you so much. So Ahmed scored 978 points. Ahmed Bakhit, you can catch up. You're so close. It's only 1 point. You see how aggressive it is? Tariq, amazing job for us. Taha, Aisha, amazing. Second question, how soon will you be able to recover data from image level backup taken during BDR suite after data loss or system crash? We need 2 more answers. Fifteen seconds to go. Oh, guys, you're filling my heart with happiness. 20 correct answers. And yes, it is less than 15 minutes. Great and amazing job. Let's see what happened to the score. Ahmed, amazing job as always. And Yusuf, you're progressing. You jumped on the board. And Maha, always good job. Tariq, guys, do not keep pushing. We still have 8 more questions, so keep pushing. Next question. Which of the following object storage BDR suite has started to support from the version 5.1 release to store the backup data? "26 questions were there, and everyone was able to answer it so fast that now we have to wait for 30 seconds listening to the creepy music of Kahoot. 25. Oh, we've got 27 answers. Okay, so yes, and again, good job. Like the majority, like the vast majority have selected the correct answer, which is the AWS S3 and any S3 compatible storages. Yes, that's correct. And again, it's an amazing achievement. Probably that's a very good start, guys, compared to any of the other challenges we will run. That's a very good start. Okay, next, let's see. Ahmed and Maha, you're progressing. Ahmed, keep fighting. We've got, and again, guys, we still have 7 more questions. You've got a lot of points to collect. Which repository type should IT administrators select to easily swap backup storage drive with a new drive periodically? We need 3 more answers. Yes, 2 more, 1 more answer. Amazing job. So I've got 11 people that got it wrong. So the majority, or most people got it wrong. And so yeah, it's not scale out repository, guys. It's drive rotation repository. So the scale out repository, if you remember, it was the answer for the first question to easily add drives like in the future. But with this one, you have it's drive rotation repository. But good, it's okay. The first glitch we have. Let's see what happened to the score. Ahmed, amazing job. Yasar, you're progressing. Amazing. Jay, I see your name in the board. And Aisha, you're back on the board. Good. Which versions of VMware vSphere are supported for agentless backup by BDR suite? Yes, 2 more answers. 1 more answer. Now we have 28 participants. 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. And here we are. Now questions are getting harder, huh? So 4 people got this right. So which versions of VMware vSphere are supported for agentless backup by BDR suite? It's VMware vSphere Sphere version 4 and above. Still excited. Let's keep going. Ahmed, good job, Yasar. Ahmed, keep fighting, man. Keep pushing. Jay, just charge, man. Push. Which of the following recovery options is used to permanently migrate VMware VMs to Hyper-V host? Waiting for 2 more answers. 1 more. Was it like a tricky question? Just download. The correct answer is download disks VMs. So you can look at this. Like probably this is the toughest question we had. But it's okay, guys. We keep learning. Yasar, still in the lead. Oh, you're like making your distance now, like 2,000 points ahead from Ahmed from Qatar. Guys, keep pushing. Jay and Vinod, you're on the board now. Next question, 7. Which of the following applications are supported for application-aware processing of Hyper-V VM backups? Amazing. Yes, it is all of the above. Great job. Now we're back. Now we're back. Good job. Next question. Two more to go. Yasar, you're doing really great, man. But guys, do not give up. You've got 2 more questions. If you answer faster, you get a lot of points that can easily recover those 2,000 points difference with Yasar. And Yasar, keep pushing, man. Which of the following applications can be granularly restored at item or object level from Hyper-V VM backup? Really need to read the options carefully. Yeah, I see the questions are getting harder, but that's okay. You're the technical guy. You're the guys, you're the experts. Five more questions. We're waiting for five more questions. Four more questions. Answers, I mean. Three more answers. Two more answers. 10 seconds to go. Oh, you got it right. Most of you guys got it right. I thought that would be like the most difficult one. You got it right. Most of you guys. Yes, it is MS Exchange, Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft SharePoint, and Microsoft Active Directory. Amazing job. Amazing job. Yes, ours, you're leading, and we know you're doing well. You really jumped really fast, which means that you're faster than anyone else. Guys, it's the last question. You can easily get 1,000 points or more if you're faster in selecting the correct answer. It's the last shot. Oh no, actually we still have two more. For how many VMs a small business can avail BDR suite essential packages to save cost on their backups? We still have this question and the next question. Thirty seconds to go. And we still need three more answers. Good. Not really. Just four correct answers. I thought this is an easy one. It's 100 VMs, guys. But good job. Good job. So we still have one more question. So please keep pushing. None of the guys on the board got the question correct. No one had collected more points. So we may see some more people jumping on board. Last question, and enjoy it. How many users' mailboxes can you back up for free using the BDR backup for Microsoft 365? Oh, yeah, that's good. So like, again, the majority got it right, which is 10 users that you can back up for free for Microsoft 365. And that is the last question. And now we need to see who won the challenge. And this is the podium. So number 3, Ahmed Bakhit. Good job, ya Ahmed. We're always happy to see you. And Ahmed Wahed. And number 1 on the spotlight is Yasar. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. It was an amazing job. And as we said, the winner today gets an iWatch. Thanks to Vembu for supporting this challenge. Everyone else will get, they will get a certification of participation. We're we usually send all of these certifications by the end of the month. So when we do multiple challenges, we just prepare them all by the end of the month, and we'll be sending them to you. And guys, if like for Yasar, for example, make sure please that you send me email of your details. Here's my email. Want to make sure that we clearly identify you, and we want to make sure that we can reach you. We can get your address correctly to be able to send you the iWatch. It was a great job. Thank you so much for working hard and studying. Thank you so much for enjoying this event and for enjoying the great technology that Vembu has. It was such a great pleasure and honor for me to be with you today. I'll leave it to the Vembu team if there is like a final word. Congratulations. Yeah, I started having the congratulations icon. So I'll leave it to you, Aman, if there is anything you want to conclude with.
Thanks, Mohammed. It was quite interesting, and as you mentioned, like we thought some of the questions might be much easier, but they feel it a bit tough. But we thought some questions might be much tougher,
Yes.
like selecting the applications, and they are good at selecting it. And
Yes.
and I can see the pattern, like since they are from the technical side, they can easily understand things from the technical part,
Yes.
and not from the business part. So it was quite fun, and it was quite honor for us to be in this and seeing you guys answering stuff. And Ashar, congrats, and also as we mentioned, all the participants will get a for license for the test and demo purposes, and hopefully we can have some kind of activities like this in the future also,
Yes.
to educate partners and expand our businesses.
Yes, thank you so much.
Mohammed. Thanks for
I will
this.
share.
We greatly appreciate it.
You're most welcome. I'll share the attendees list with you guys. So guys, that's an amazing initiative. It's a great way to learn because you get those NFR licenses. It's a great way to demonstrate the power of the product. So that's a great addition to today's challenge. It was a great surprise from you guys at Vembu. Thank you so much. Again, guys, I really want to personally thank every one of you for attending today, for going through the hard time of studying. It means a lot to us. And also, I want to thank Vembu for the great technology that they have. And I hope that this is a start where we all enjoy deploying Vembu technologies, where our customers will have the best of the technology and learn about something that really adds value to their infrastructure. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. And Yasar, congratulations. If I cannot locate you, please come back to me. You got my email. Have a good day. Bye-bye.